متعة تعلم الإنجليزي مع Take It Easy. Hi everybody. فقرتنا how to بنتكلم عن how to start a conversation with someone you don't know and you have nothing to talk about with him. تاني حاجة نتكلم فيها النهاردة هي حاجات أساسية انت لازم تفتكرها لما تيجي تعمل conversation مع حد. Remembering the basics. Number 1, let go of your fears. When you suddenly feel that you are not able to engage in conversation with another person, it's likely that you are telling yourself a few negative things, such as worrying that you are boring, not good enough, too unimportant, intruding, wasting their time, etc. This can leave you feeling tongue-tied, feeling self-conscious. When carrying on conversation with others is not unusual, but it's also not productive. Try to keep in mind that everyone has these self-doubts from time to time, but that it's essential to overcome them in order to engage with fellow human beings. Reassure yourself that the other person is not judging you. Even if they are, it's unlikely to have any real impact on your life, so just relax. Number 2, introduce yourself if necessary. If you don't know the person, breaking the ice is very simple. Tell the new person your name, offer your hand to shake, and smile. This isn't only polite, but it's also a good way to start a conversation. Number 3, keep the conversation going with small talk. This keeps the conversation light and simple, which is especially useful for people who are still getting to know another better. Small talk encompasses such topics as your blog or website, house renovations, your kids' artwork prize, your newly planted garden, a good book you have just read, etc. Small talk isn't politics, religion, nuclear disarmament, or fusion, or criticizing anybody, especially not the host or the event you are both attending. Number 4, synchronize with your conversation partner. Once your partner in conversation has started talking, follow his or her cue to keep the conversation going smoothly. Use active listening to reflect what they are saying and to summarize their possible feelings. Answer questions when they ask. Ask them questions about what they are talking about. Change topics when there's abuse in the conversation, and make sure they get the chance to talk at least as much you. Number 5, say the other person's name now and then. Not only does it help you to remember them, but it's a warm sign of respect and will make them feel more comfortable and make the conversation feel more and really intimate.